DeltaV SaaS SCADA is an IIoT cloud-native platform designed to enable asset-intensive industries to quickly and securely connect, acquire analytics, and provide control of remotely located devices anywhere, anytime by any one of your authorized users. We help our customers become more productive, profitable, and sustainable to improve life around the globe.
My name is Sherry Hyde, and I am the Training and Change Management Specialist here at DeltaV SaaS SCADA. And today I have the great pleasure of talking to Grant Lau, Team Lead and Technology Product Owner. Welcome, Grant. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Hey, Sherry. Yes, thanks. Thanks for having me here today. Like Sherry was saying, my name is Grant Lau. Excited to be part of this webcast to talk to you about our new DeltaV SaaS SCADA mobile app. I've been with the DeltaV SaaS SCADA team for 19 years now. Started in customer care, had roles in application implementations, including in business analysis, and now product management, and in my current role as product owner. I do oversee several applications, our DeltaV SaaS SCADA Asset Protect, and field data capture, and some other features of our DeltaV SaaS SCADA platform, such as the gas composition management and schematics. And now what we're here for today is to talk about the DeltaV SaaS SCADA mobile app. So yeah, thanks, Sherry, for having me here.
Great. Well, thank you for being here. Let's start with a little bit of background first, Grant. Why did DeltaV SaaS SCADA decide to go with a new mobile app instead of revamping the old one?
So as we know, phones are extension of ourselves. Say no one ever goes very far without their phones next to them. So we wanted to extend that convenience of our platform to the mobile device. The other reason why is we recently reached a milestone within Emerson where we were acquired by Emerson 5 years ago, and we've recently rebranded under the name DeltaV SaaS SCADA. So as I mentioned, that is quite a significant milestone for us. So we want to take the opportunity, to leverage modern technology, create a new application, mobile app for our users. So we've listened to our customers and taken their feedback and really incorporated it into the new mobile app. We're hoping the new mobile app brings the functionality that our customers are wanting to see and really makes it a big difference for them in their day-to-day.
I'm sure it will be. I know that personally you have put in a lot of work, and I'm really excited about this. And just curious, what do you think that the mobile app, why does it stand out? What makes it more interesting than the old one, or in comparison?
We've had a great team behind this project, including yourself. So yeah, I just want to give a shout out to the rest of the team that have been part of it, not just me. What makes it really stand out in my mind are a couple things. So the first thing is alarm push notifications. So that'll be one of the biggest differences between our old outgoing app and DeltaV SaaS SCADA mobile coming in. So really that push notification when an alarm happens, it'll be pushed out right to your phone, so you'll know instantly when an alarm happens. Another feature that's been great and feedback from our customers were just the ability to manage their routes or runs directly within the mobile app. That's functionality right at your fingertips. And then, just some other pieces, including better reporting capabilities. You can now create reports directly in the app, view the data, and share it right from your phone. So we're hoping that will streamline the process and save our customers some time from having to run back to the office and generate those reports. And just another nice little feature as well that we've incorporated into mobile app is just integration with Google Maps and Apple Maps. So if you're ever needing directions to a site or something like that, you can just quickly use the app, and with a click of a button, it'll bring up the directions on your phone. So yeah, collectively with those features, we're hoping that the app is more powerful in managing people's day-to-day and makes it a little smoother for them.
That's great. Yeah, that sounds amazing. I actually have some screenshots, Grant. I'm wondering, I'm just going to pull those up right now. Maybe tell me a bit more about them. I'm guessing this is the dashboard here.
Yeah, this is the landing page of the mobile app. So here we see a couple things at the top there. We see our different widgets, which again is just a dashboards and brings consolidate your data into a couple different dashboards there. So we see the total alarms and then production dashboards as well. We do plan on future versions of the app is to create more widgets so that you can customize those to what you want to see. And then just down below, as I mentioned, one of the features is the run or route management. You can select your different runs on the screen and load runs on the dashboard here, and that will refresh your widgets as well.
That's great. So it looks like I've got the map selected here. Do you want to talk to me about this one here as well?
This will show you all your sites set with the run that you have selected on the map. You'll also have an icon on the map if one of your sites is an alarm. So it's more of a visual if people like to view their sites on a map like this. But other things that you can do here are click on the locations at the bottom and get your driving directions, like Ed said, or go and view like a shortcut to viewing your sensors and those other things as well. The other toggle at the top is to show all. So if you wanted to see all your locations within your company, you can just hit that toggle and that'll show all your sites for the company, not just for the runs that you have selected. So yeah, this is our map tool and some nice little features in there.
Yeah, this will be really helpful, I think. What I'm seeing here is the alarms page. Maybe you can go through that. Maybe can you tell me also about what that push notification looks like if an alarm is triggered? What exactly does happen as well?
This is the part of the mobile app that shows all your alarms for your run or for your company. And we've got the same kind of color coding that we have on the platform there. So we've got the red, yellow, orange, and then also gray for no comms alarms. So the red is high, low, low, and then the orange there is the high, low, and then the gray or no comms alarms. What you can do here is view the alarms and then acknowledge them by adding notes. And in terms of the push notifications, yeah, those arrive right onto your location center. And when you click on them, they'll bring you right to the alarms for the location. And from there, you can view the details of the alarm and acknowledge them or clear them as needed. So this is a big upgrade for comparing our old app to new ones. So this was a real big difference and feature that we've listened to our customers and have incorporated into the new app.
Yeah, because in the old app, you had to click into alarms to actually be able to see them. So there wasn't really a notification. So this is going to be a really nice feature.
Yeah, definitely more convenient for sure.
Now, Grand, what are we looking at here? It looks like our sensors page.
This part of the app really lets you dig into the individual sites that you operate or have on our platform. So here you do several different things, view the sensor details, click on the sensors and it'll bring up your trends. As you can see there on the screen, you can demand pull to instantly bring back the data from the site, add notes, site notes as well. In the ellipsis next to the location name, the options there, you can click on that and get some favorite reports or view your alarms for them. In addition to this site, you can swipe the sensors pane, then I'll show you additional sensors details of the site. So yeah, this is where you go and interact with the details of your site at a more granular level.
Okay, so now it looks like we are on the reports here. I've got a few pages here. Maybe do you want to tell me about these as well?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, so this is our reporting section, another big enhancement to our new app. Yeah, what we see on the left-hand screen is all the reports. Some of these reports will carry over from the DeltaV SaaS SCADA platform. You can also create your reports from here as well. The middle screen is an example of what one of the reports looks like. So you can view your data in a trend line with what we see here, or toggle over to see the data in a table view. And then on the right-hand side there is editing or creating a report. So this just lets you, create your report with the specific sensors that you want to see and the locations you want on your reports. This is the functionality that makes it happen.
That's great. And I think you mentioned earlier that this is something that you would be able to message directly or email directly from the app to somebody else. Is that correct?
Yeah, so in that middle screen there, you can see those icons next to the at the top right corner of the trend, where you can share that information by texting it to individuals or sharing it to email. But yeah, that's functionality there that allows you to do that.
So that was really good just to be able to see what it's going to look like. I'm really excited to be able to have it on my phone and download it and play with it a bit more. But I'm curious of how it's going to help me if I'm in the field. What is it going to do for me that compared to maybe just having the DeltaV SaaS SCADA, the whole site open?
Phones never leave our side, so it's really you're taking the features and functionality of what our DeltaV SaaS SCADA platform can do. We've extended that to the mobile app, and now that's just with you all the time. So if you're on site and you've just left it, and then an alarm just happened, the old app you wouldn't get the push notification. You'd be back at the office and then you would see that there was an alarm, so you have to drive back. So with the new app, with the push notifications, maybe that'll save some of our users that time from having to, go back to the office and then have it drive back. So it's more of just that convenience. The data is there when they need it in a timely manner. Those are kind of the scenarios that the mobile app really help when you're in the field, or can help the field personnel when they're using it.
Definitely. So I do have to ask, just because it's a hot topic, can you tell me a bit more about the security of the app itself, or the security on the app?
Yeah, for sure. Emerson takes security very seriously and is always a top priority in everything that we do, just to keep our customers' data safe and secure. That's no different than with this. We've created a new platform API the mobile app is using. So bring back the information that's being requested of the app. So that makes it a little bit more secure by using our new platform API. And then the other part of it is we're just starting to use a new identity management infrastructure. That's going to be part of the new mobile app as well. So those are a couple of things. And yeah, definitely security is always at the forefront for Emerson. So you can always trust that your data and the app will be secure.
Emerson is a global company. So if I'm in a different country, where am I going to be able to download the app? Is it just for North America? What can I do?
Yeah, definitely. The mobile app will be available essentially if you're an existing customer of Emerson globally. No matter where you are, the app will be available. Definitely available more than just outside North America.
Great. Okay, final question. When can I download it? When can I get the app?
Yeah, we're excited to have it available as soon as possible, but right now we are expecting the app to be in stores around the fall timeline, so September-ish.
That's great. Well, thank you very much for meeting with me today, Grant. Look for us in the App Store soon.
Thanks, Sherry.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.
Please contact our support team with any additional questions or training needs you may have. Our customers are enabled with DeltaV SaaS SCADA from every angle, with change and project management, complete training, and live 24/7 support, because we believe every person on earth holds the potential to create a brighter tomorrow.